Anatomy and Physiology. Animal. Learning objectives. Introduction to the material. What is anatomy? Anatomy is the study form and structure of the body. What things look like, where they are located. What is physiology? Is the study of body function, how things work, what they do. Microscopic versus macroscopic anatomy. Microscopic anatomy is the study of anatomic parts too small to be seen with eye, such as cells and tissues. Macroscopic anatomy is also called gross anatomy. The study of body parts large enough to be seen, such as lung, leg, or brain. Regional anatomy versus systemic anatomy. Regional anatomy is the study of each component of a specific region of the body. In the neck regional we look at bones, muscles, cells. Systematic anatomy is the study of the entire systems of the body, skeleton system, nervous system. For anatomical planes of reference: 1. Sagittal. 2. Medial. 3. Transverse. 4. Dorsal. Sagittal plane, a plane that runs the length of the body and divides it into left and right parts that are not necessarily equal halves. Median plane runs down the center of the body lengthwise and divides it into equal left and right halves. Transverse plane, the plane across the body that divides it into cranial head end and called tail end parts that are not necessarily equal. Dorsal plane had right angles and it divides the body into dorsal toward the animal's back. Terms of direction: cranial toward the head, rostral toward the tip of the nose, caudal toward the tail end, dorsal toward the back, ventral toward the belly, medial toward the median plane, lateral away from the medial plane, deep internal toward the center whole body or part, superficial external toward the surface, proximal toward the body, distal away from the body, palmar back of forelimb from carpus distally, plantar back of hind limb from tarsus distally, dorsal front of forelimb and hind limb from carpus and tarsus distally. List the components of the dorsal body cavity. Contains the brain and spinal cord, that is, the central nervous system. Ventral body cavity. It contains most of the soft organs viscera of the body. It is divided by the thin diaphragm muscle into the cranial thoracic cavity, also known as the thorax or chest, and the caudal abdominal cavity, also known as the abdomen. Define homeostasis: a state of balance among all the body systems, needed for the body to survive and function correctly. Thank you for watching.